What's the meaning of clear-headed? Clear-headed. Clear-headed.
Clear-headed. Clear-headed. The term clear-headed refers to a state of mind that is calm, rational, and focused. It describes a person who is able to think clearly and make decisions without being influenced by emotions or distractions. Being clear-headed results in a feeling of mental clarity and sharpness, which can lead to better problem-solving ability, improved communication, and increased productivity. It is a desirable state of mind that many people strive for, especially in high-pressure situations where quick and rational decision-making is essential.